Alright friends, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So when you try to upload video on your ChatGPT and you click on this plus sign and you go on to photos, the video doesn't show even though it's there on your photo album on your cell phone, whether it's iPhone or Android. So you might think that you maybe have a free subscription of ChatGPT. That's why the videos are not showing. But this is actually not the reason. The reason is that you need to go on to your settings, and I'll show you what is the reason. So you go on to your settings and then you can go and look for ChatGPT, or in search option you type chat GPT and it will come up here. So you click on chat GPT and then you click on photos, right? So right now it's on limited access, selected photos and add access, right? So you need to click on full access. So when you tick on full access, then you can be able to see your videos, right? I'm not clicking on full access right now because it will show some of the photos which I don't want to share it with you guys. But let's say if you click on full access and the videos are still not showing, then what you need to do, and it doesn't show because of the the iPhone operating system, iOS. It's not because it's chat GPT problem, it's your phone problem. So what you need to do to get your videos add to your chat GPT, there is another step you gotta do, that you go to your photos, right? So I'm gonna go on to my photos and here is the video, this one, right? And what you got to do, that you click on this thing on the bottom left, the box with the up arrow key. You click on that and then you go down and then click on save to files, and then you save this video onto your files, right? So you click save, and because I already saved it, so I'll just click on replace. Okay, and now you go on to your chat GPT, right? And then you click on plus sign and then you click on add files, and here is your video into the file folder. So you click on this video and then you click on open, and the video has been added to your chat GPT. All right guys, and then you can do whatever you want to do with it. So this is the way to add your video or upload your video to chat GPT, even with free subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.